जब आपको कॉल आया सेइंग दैट यू आर गोना बी प्लेइंग द यंगर वर्जन ऑफ आलिया भट्ट इन अल्फा, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
Actually, I would say that my parents handle all of that, and they told me that you will be playing the younger version of Alia ma'am, and I was like super excited because Alia ma'am.
आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म भी आ रही है बंटवारा 1947, which is an Amir Khan's production, and you're working with such big stars. Without giving any spoilers, can you tell us what really excited you the most when you heard the story?
I was so excited about the costumes. What will I be wearing? And the hairstyle. How did they used to tie their hair? It was like 1947. Well, since it was a partition drama, I was like, oh, that was very painful because many people lost their homes, lost their relatives, even their own lives.
Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Beyond the Classroom with Yuvan, a space where we talk to inspiring people from different walks of life and discover lessons that no classroom can ever teach us. People often ask me, like, Yuvan, how do you manage everything? Podcasts, writing books, going to school, and everything else. And you know how I always say that some of the most important lessons in my life didn't come from inside the classroom. They came from saying yes to opportunities. And today's guest knows exactly what that feels like. While most children were spending their weekends playing video games, doing their homework, she was spending hers on film sets. While most of us grew up watching movies, she grew up making them. She's worked with some of the biggest names in Indian cinema, recently playing the younger version of Ali Bhatt in Alpha. And very soon, we're also going to be able to see her in Batwara 1947. Today, I don't want to ask her how she became famous, but instead, what can growing up on a film set teach you about life that no classroom ever can? Please welcome Khushi Ajare. Hi Khushi, how are you?
Hi, Yuvin. Thank you so much for inviting me on your podcast. It's
Pleasure
such
is
a
all mine.
pleasure.
So, before we talk about films, I generally been thinking about एक चीज जो हमारे बीच common है. We both started doing what we love at a very young age. Mine through public speaking and starting my own podcast. Aapka through acting. And made me realize this all happened because we stepped out of the classroom. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I totally agree with that. We stepped out of the classrooms and learned so many new and brilliant things about the outside world. I would like to thank our parents for that.
Me too.
They took so much efforts for us.
Yeah. And if I was to ask you what have you learned through acting which school never taught you?
There are many things about acting. It taught me patience, perseverance, consistency, discipline, focus, commitment to your work. Like so many things. Now, patience because many times you have to cut a scene, you have to reshoot it. So that teaches you patience. And hard work because you continuously have to do that, like over and over again. Now, the thing is that if we are talking about persistency, see, everyone sees us that, oh, she's in movies, so nice. She's so lucky. No, you have to do a lot of hard work for that. You have to work so hard, like you have to give so many auditions, and then you get selected in one. There are many failures, there are many setbacks, but that's totally fine.
इसलिए मैंने शायद इस वे में सोचा ही नहीं था. That's why I was so excited to meet you because you have a different career than anyone of my age and I really wanted to know more about you and your world. So, by the way, I want to congratulate you on the success of Alpha.
Thank you.
जब आपको कॉल आया saying that you're going to be playing the younger version of Alia Bhatt in Alpha, आपका क्या reaction था? Did it feel like a huge responsibility sharing the screen with such a big star or were you just excited?
Actually, I would say that my parents handle all of that, and they told me that you will be playing the younger version of Alia ma'am, and I was like super excited because Alia ma'am, Anil Kapoor sir, Bobby sir, and of course Charvari ma'am. I've worked with Charvari ma'am in Munja once, so I was like, oh, we'll be meeting again.
I agree that it must have been a big moment, right?
Yes, but it did not feel much like a responsibility. Rather, it thrilled me.
आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म भी आ रही है बंटवारा 1947 which is an Amir Khan production with such big stars Sunny Deol, Preity Zinta, Ali Fazl. Without giving any spoilers, can you tell us what really excited you the most when you first heard the story?
First of all, I loved the story. And then I was so excited about the costumes. What will I be wearing? And the hairstyle. How did they used to tie their hair?
Yeah.
It was like 1947. Well, since it was a partition drama, I was like, oh, that was very painful because many people lost their homes, lost their relatives, even their own lives. Like there were riots and all, and it was just a loss for both the sides.
So did this film teach you anything about Indian history that you already didn't know?
Yes, it was a traumatic experience. Both the sides lost many things. Many people lost their lives, and everything was so traumatic and it was so painful. Na? It was just too much.
You know, I actually love historical movies and books because every time I read or watch them, हमेशा कुछ नया सीखने का मिलता है. So Patwala 1947 shoot करते time, was there ever a scene where you could actually relate to what the families back then must have been feeling like?
Yes, there was a train sequence, and I would not reveal much, but in that train sequence, there were people who were trying to climb on that train but could not. And that was really painful. Like, oh, they lost their lives. Some people who got on the train lost their relatives, and they lost their homes also.
I'm sure you must have thought about how lucky our generation is, right?
Yes, that's so true.
When I think about my childhood, I think about books, recording podcasts, going to school. What is the very first memory that pops into your mind when you think about your childhood?
When I think about my childhood, it's always like the conversations with stars, film sets, flights, and all traveling.
Okay. So do you think आपका childhood different रहा था आपके friends से because you started working at a very young age?
It was a bit different, but in a positive way.
Yeah.
Like, I started acting at a seriously young age.
Yeah.
My first ad, it was when I was 1.5 years old.
Oh.
So I was very excited, like, oh, I have a different childhood from my friends, but it's so nice.
Yeah. So do you really remember your first day on a film set?
Actually, I do not, because I was just 1.5 years old when I did my first ad.
Yeah.
But I do remember my first movie. It was with Aishwarya Rai ma'am and Randeep Hooda sir. Sarabjit. I was 2.5 years then.
So were you excited or nervous or any other feeling?
I'm pretty much excited, and it doesn't feel like, oh, these stars, oh my god. It never ever feels like I'm taking a responsibility, and it just comes naturally.
Okay. You worked with so many great people. Ritesh Deshmukh, Madhuri ma'am, Nawazuddin, Vicky Kaushal, Bobby Deol, Alia Bhatt, countless people. Was there ever a day where you watched one perform and then thought, one day I hope I can act like that? And who was it?
I've worked with many people, and my dream is to become worldwide famous. Like Aishwarya Rai ma'am. She's so pretty, she's just gorgeous. I wanted to become like her, and I want to act like her.
So ऐसी कोई quality है that you've noticed that almost every great actor has, not as actors but as people?
अगर एक common quality बतानी हो, then I would say that each one of them is a very good person, a very good human being at heart. और Madhuri ma'am, she's so humble and she's so punctual, like always on time. Bobby sir, he's very caring, like just so caring. Pretty ma'am and Janila ma'am, both are still so bubbly. They bring lives on sets. And I respect Ritesh sir so much. वो छोटे बच्चों से लेकर बड़े लोगों तक हर एक को आप करके एड्रेस करते हैं. He is always exploring new ideas, huh?
Okay, so what's the best advice you've ever received from someone on a film set?
The best advice, it's always like, be good to your parents.
Okay.
Follow their lead. That's the best advice.
Was there ever a moment where a co-actor did something very unforgettable? क्या उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ा सा बता सकते हो?
मुझे recently एक incident याद आ रहा है. Have you watched the teaser of Alpha? उसमें बॉबी सर एक टैटू बना रहे मेरे हाथ पे. The letter A. Actually वो टैटू मशीन जो थी, yes, it was fake. बट वो उसके वाइब्रेशंस, उसका साउंड वगैरह इतना रियलिस्टिक था. द आर्ट टीम हैंडेड हिम द मशीन एंड ही आस्क्ड देम, is this real or fake? And they're like, no sir, it's fake. But yet he still turned the machine on. He felt it was very realistic, so first of all he tried it on his own hand instead of mine.
Okay.
He was like, oh no, you should not get hurt. I would also like to share one more incident. Actually, during the shoot of Bhoot, Vicky sir was so supportive and encouraging.
Okay.
Actually क्या हुआ था कि मेरा एक अंडरवाटर सीक्वेंस था. उसमें
Okay.
एक रिवर ऐसे दिखाई थी. यस, इट वाज अ स्विमिंग पूल. उसमें ऐसे दिखाया था कि मैं पीछे पुल हो रही हूँ.
Okay.
तो एक्चुअली वो ट्यूब्स का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, तो इसलिए वो सीन मैं कर रही थी. द वाटर, इट वाज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड और ऊपर से बारिश हो रही थी. तो विकी सर का पैकअप हुआ था. But he was still there and he was like, Chal Khushi, come on, you can do it. And he was still there encouraging me.
Oh my god. You've now worked in horror, drama, and family films, and so much more, right? So, did acting always come naturally to you, or did you learn and take training for it?
I would say a bit genetically also because my grandmother and my mother used to work in theaters.
Oh,
They were
okay.
theater artists.
Okay.
And the thing is that I worked in so many films, and now before the films, there are action workshops, there are acting workshops, and even diction workshops.
Okay.
So I kept on learning through films also, through the workshops also, and it was so memorable for me.
I'm sure you're a very talented artist and आपको अभी बहुत opportunity मिली to improve your craft. So when you look back at your very first project versus now on your performance in Alpha, how do you say you've improved?
I would say I've improved. Like I know how to portray my emotions like better in a better way, and I would say that the acting skills have sharpened, like a bit sharpened on the way through the workshops and all.
So now if someone our age wants to start an acting career, wants to become an actor, उनको कैसे start करना चाहिए?
I would say do a lot of hard work and listen to your parents.
Okay. So, until now we've spoken about opportunities, childhood, and all the amazing people you worked with. But I think this every journey also has another side, जो लोगों को नहीं दिखती. The pressure, the failures, the moments where you question yourself. And I really want to talk to you about that next. So, can I ask you something really personal? You spend so much of your time surrounded by adults, working professionally and taking responsibility. क्या आपको लगता है अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने peers के कंपैरिजन में आप थोड़ा सा जल्दी मैच्योर हो गए?
I never feel it that way. I'm like, okay, I developed one more skill. I'm working on my career, and that's so good. Like when they'll be starting to work on their career, I would already be halfway there or more.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty much happy about that.
Okay. I'm sure acting has given you a lot too. Can you tell us what one thing acting gave you that you're forever grateful for?
It gave me a career and it gave me so many things like a chance to meet new people, hear about their experiences, and work on sets.
So आपने acting काफ़ी young age में start करी थी. Obviously, it has its pros and cons. Looking back, would you have started at the same age or would you have waited and changed your reality and waited to grow up and then start?
No. I would not like to go back in time and start it all over again. I'm very happy that my parents started it at a very young age.
Okay.
And I'm pretty much proud of it. Like, I have won many awards.
Yeah.
Filmfare Award, Zee Chitragora Award. It has given me an advantage also.
Yeah. And I think that's such an interesting thought because a lot of people, they wait for the right age to start something. But I think there is no perfect age to start something.
I've worked in 17 movies now, and I don't think it would have happened if it was started a bit later.
Okay. So has there ever been a character or a scene which has stayed with you even after the shoot ended? Maybe a character whose personality, emotions, or habits stayed with you even in real life.
Actually, I would say that I'm an on and off actor. Like when director says roll camera rolling, I just turn that mode on, and after cut, I just leave it there.
Oh wow, that's very good quality to have. And did you ever have a scene that you didn't feel like acting anymore because the emotions became real?
All the scenes, I was like, okay, so this is the scene and done. It never felt like, okay, so this is the character. It never made me nervous. It never made me happy or sad. Nothing. It's just on and off.
Very good
I just
quality.
leave the character there.
Okay, so do you still feel the pressure even after all these years? Pressure to perform well, pressure to meet expectations, or pressure because people already know who you are?
Actually, I never felt the pressure. Yes, अभी थोड़ा सा लग रहा था because you win, but you made me comfortable.
It's nothing like that, and it's my job as a host to make you comfortable. And even I still get nervous about things and feel the pressure before every single speech, podcast recording. But even I'm trying to work on it, and I've learned this thing that even if something goes wrong, one bad day doesn't change who I am.
Yes, it does not, like at all. And I never felt the pressure because it was just like a normal day. We go to school, we give our exams, we study, we come back home. It's
Same,
just
yeah.
such easy thing.
सो कई बार बहुत ऐसा भी होता है कि सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स भी एक तरह से प्रेशर क्रिएट कर देते हैं, पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स, because it gives you pressure to give your best because you know that people are expecting it out of you. People know you and they want you to do better.
Actually, I never feel the pressure because the positive comments rather inspire me. Like,
Yeah.
oh, good. And if there are negative comments, I'm like, oh, okay, very good. I'll just change myself. I'll improvise myself in a positive
Yeah,
way.
exactly what I do as well. So Kushi, I'm sure कि आपने भी बहुत सारे setbacks experience करे होंगे. Maybe after an audition or something didn't go your way. आपको कैसी feeling आती है?
See, auditions में ना select होना, it's okay. Improvise yourself, move on, do your best. Like, हर एक ऑडिशन जिसमें सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ है उससे मैंने कुछ तो सीखा है. I've improvised myself. I've done it better.
Yeah. So Kushi, I'm sure कि आपने भी बहुत setbacks experience करे होंगे. Maybe after an audition or a scene that didn't go your way. So इसके बाद how do you feel? कैसी feeling आती है?
Actually, there are many setbacks in our life. It's a part and parcel of the journey.
Yeah.
So, I'm like कि okay, इस ऑडिशन में सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. It's okay.
Next
I
मिलेगा.
just improvise myself and I just move on. And moreover, you have seen the ECG. There are many ups and downs.
Yeah.
Good thing there are ups and downs. If it goes flat, like मजा ही क्या है.
So how did your school friends react when they realized you were acting in such big films and working with such great actors?
अभी जो न्यू फिल्म्स वगैरह आते हैं ना, देन दे आर लाइक ऑटोग्राफ्स चाहिए एंड वो फोटोज वगैरह भी क्लिक करते हैं. एंड वो थर्ड फोर्थ वगैरह के बच्चे भी आते हैं कि दीदी दीदी प्लीज वो एक ऑटोग्राफ दो ना, और मेरी फ्रेंड को भी देना, वो अगली रेसेस में आएगी, दीदी प्लीज प्लीज. सो आई एम लाइक ओके, दैट्स सो क्यूट एंड आई
Yeah.
फील लाइक ओह नाइस.
So can you tell me who's one teacher or mentor or director who changed the way you think about life?
एक्चुअली मैं हर एक को अपना टीचर मानती आई हूँ एंड इवन यू. I learn from everyone. I'm like, yeah, Madhur ma'am is humble. I learn from her. She's punctual. Good. I maintained that.
Okay. So can you tell me more about why do you think Madhuri ma'am teaches you more stuff?
She's so brilliant. She's known as Lady Amitabh Bachchan. And I want to be known as like Lady Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. So you're only 13, but you've already achieved things that many people dream of. You already won awards that actors and directors they wait years for. Did winning those awards change you, or did they mostly change the way people started looking at you?
Actually, awards jab milte hai, I'm like so happy. Oh wow, I've won this award. So nice. So excited. And it just adds to my portfolio. And yes, people look at me like, okay, she has won awards. So just respect increases, like, and yes, industry adds on expectations. And
Okay.
I always look forward to fulfilling them.
It's very nice. ऐसा आपका कोई dream project या कोई do you want to work with any dream actor or dream director?
I would like to work with Shah Rukh sir.
Why would you want to work with Shah Rukh sir? Is it his personality or the way he acts?
He's such a great actor. He's such a good human being. He has infinite charisma. Like, he's just so good. I want to feel his vibes, his aura, like next level.
Even I love Shah Rukh Khan, and me and my mom, we always have this debate. Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. I'm on Shah Rukh Khan's side. My mom needs Salman Khan. And even I love Shah Rukh Khan's way of acting. He's such a great actor in almost so many ways. Like, many other actors will also want to imbibe more qualities of his.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, so now we have a fun segment to play with you. मैं एक फ्रेज बोलूंगा एंड आपको मेरा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करना है. Don't think too much. Just say the first thing that pops into your mind. Ready?
Okay.
When I'm nervous,
I take a deep breath.
oh yeah, success for me means
Making my parents proud.
same for me. My parents always tell me
To study and work hard.
the best classroom is
A film set.
okay. One thing I'll never compromise on.
Myself.
Okay, acting has taught me that.
Hard work and perseverance.
Okay, one day I want people to remember me as.
Lady Shah Rukh Khan.
If I could thank one person today, it would be.
My parents.
That's all. Thank you. Your answer was so raw and honest, and I highly appreciate that. So, I want to end our podcast with one last question. What's one lesson life taught you that no classroom ever could?
One lesson that life actually taught me was nothing is by luck or by fluke or something like that. You always have to work hard.
And it always comes with your efforts.
Yes, and people say, oh, she works in movies. Maybe it's her luck. Yes, luck plays a role, but it's a small role. You have to work really hard for that.
99% hard work. When I started today's conversation, I thought we would talk about films. But I don't think this is what this episode became. I think we talked about courage, about starting before you feel ready, about learning from people, about handling failure, and about staying true to yourself while chasing your dreams. And I think that's exactly what Beyond the Classroom is all about. They found in the choices we make, the people we meet, and the experiences that shape us. Thank you so much for joining us today, Khushi. And thank you so much for everybody watching. If you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.